This is Mike Decker with the National Weather Service in San Angelo, Texas. This briefing is being updated just before noon on April 28th, 2025. There's a marginal enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms today. That enhanced risk has been upgraded from a slight risk across portions of the northern Concho Valley and western Big Country. There's also a marginal slight risk of severe thunderstorms Tuesday, with a marginal risk of excessive rainfall across the area today, and a marginal to even a moderate risk of excessive rainfall Tuesday. Today, areas northwest of the San Angelo Abilene Throckmorton line have been upgraded to an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms this afternoon and evening, with a slight risk across most of the rest of west central Texas and the Big Country and Concho Valley and down into Crockett County. Large to very large hail over 2 inches and damaging winds up to 70 miles an hour are the main hazards. There's also a low potential for tornadoes, and localized flooding is possible under those thunderstorms with excessive rainfall rates of 2 inches or more per hour. Similar, more extensive, and perhaps more widespread severe weather events is expected Tuesday afternoon and overnight into Monday. The slight risk of thunderstorms across the region may be upgraded to, or perhaps expanded to, enhanced risk over portions of the region. Again, for Tuesday, large hail and damaging winds will be possible, along with a potential for isolated tornadoes and flooding. As we get into later in the part of the week, you could see some more storms developing Thursday night into the weekend. And again, some of those could be severe. It is that season. For today, that enhanced risk, we're looking for potentially storms developing from Garden City and Sterling City around 4 o'clock, and then moving northeast into the Big Country, perhaps Sweetwater, 6 o'clock, 6 to 7 o'clock, Abilene, and as we go into the evening, up into Rotan and Roby and across the rest of the Big Country. A large hail would be possible. These storms, of course, we're looking for that 2 inches or greater, potentially greater than that. Storms would probably be more isolated further south in down towards San Angelo, in the Concho Valley today, but certainly any storms that develop could become severe fairly quickly. Here's the threat. The main threat's going to be for today is going to be that very, very large hail, especially across portions of the western Big Country and Concho Valley under that slight enhanced risk. Also, there's a 5% potential for a tornado, as fairly low there, but getting a little bit higher across areas, let's say from Sweetwater up to Haskell and Roby. 2% further southward in the Concho Valley, down including portions of eastern Big Country, including Abilene. The severe wind outlook is some 60 to 70 mile an hour winds with these storms. For Tuesday, as the upper level system actually approaches, we're looking for more instability actually to get into the area. And we actually may see this portions of the slight risk area upgraded to a enhanced risk. Again, everything that will be happening today we'll be looking at tomorrow, but potentially more extensive area of storms, large hail, damaging winds developing in the afternoon and continuing into the and overnight, and potentially even into early Wednesday morning. There's a marginal potential for some localized flooding here today, and that increases to a slight to moderate for Tuesday with more widespread showers and thunderstorms, maybe a little bit of a moderate risk for those areas just along and north of Throckmorton and Haskell. Probability of rainfall, you see that it increases there Tuesday afternoon and overnight Tuesday and into Wednesday before dropping off fairly quickly during Wednesday night. And we do have a little bit of a break on Thursday, but Thursday night those thunderstorms would be, we could see some more development late on Thursday night into the weekend. Drought, there's still some severe drought along the Interstate 10 corridor, Northwest Hill Country up to Brady and San Saba, with more towards with lesser drought as you go further northward across the Big Country and Conjo Valley. Hopefully, then a little bit more rainfall will decrease that uh, drought drought conditions, especially across western portions of the Big Country over the next several days. 6 to 10 day outlook looks at near normal temperatures and a little bit above normal precipitation amounts. Next update will be by at least by Monday, May the 5th. You may see, possibly may see another briefing tomorrow, depending on the conditions for that next severe weather event for Tuesday. This has been Mike Decker with the National Weather Service, San Angelo, Texas.